Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription box, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. I'm going to put a link to this subscription box and the coupon code down there below in the description bar in case you're interested in it, alright? So the theme for this one is called Smoky Amethyst. And it looks like it's going to be very pretty. And in case you're new to this, these are the names of the items in the box. These are codes where you can reorder them. And you have to reorder them here on dollarbead.com. Alright? So let's go ahead. Open it up. Oh boy, are they going to do one of those challenge things? Let me see. Oh, it's instructions. How to make a miniature beaded wire tree. Things you should know. So it's a little project. That's neat. If you want, you can pause, read over it. Alright. Let's check out the box. One time they did a challenge with this box, well, that I know of, while I was subscribed to it. They could have done it before I was subscribed. I don't know. They gave us a spool of wire. Yeah, the instructions. And that's not shown on the picture. Okay. So that's wire. Oh, those are gorgeous. Very pretty. Okay. And then the bead strands. And they usually sort these by size. Biggest to smallest. It looks like all of these are 8. Oh my gosh, they're peanut beads. I've never got them that big. I've never seen them that big. I love those. Those are cute. Okay, and then let me see here. There's just 3 strands. Yeah. Okay, I'm trying to organize this a little bit. Okay, to the list. 8mm purple gemstone style glass bead, 10-inch string, then another 10-inch, and then 8-inch. So gemstone style, I believe it's this one. No, wait. Purple gemstone style, fuchsia green. Okay, it's this one. Yeah, I have to read a little ahead. So this is purple gemstone style glass bead, 10-inch string. It's very pretty. This is actually crackled, and then there's a purple coating over top of it. It's a paint. You can see the paint on the string there. It's a very vibrant purple. It's like grape. And then the next thing is the 8mm fuchsia green duo style glass bead, 10-inch string. That's this one here. This is gorgeous. I like this one very much. That's really pretty. Okay, and then this one, 8mm gray brown gemstone bead, 7 to 8-inch string. These are pretty. I like stuff like this. That would be a nice stretch bracelet all by itself. And whenever I have a strand of beads like this that I make into a stretch bracelet, what I like to do is I go through my metal beads or my acrylic beads that have a metal coating on them, and I find one that has a big hole, and I will hide the knot with my elastic cord. You know, I tie the knot and I hide it in that hole, and it's a focal bead in the bracelet, and it looks good, but it's also serving a purpose of hiding that big knot. Okay, and then after that is approximate 1 ounce Amethyst designer bead mix. So we've got multiple. I think it's going to be this one though. I think it'll be this one here. Then the next is black silver designer bead mix. Yeah, crystal peanut. Yeah. Okay, I believe it's this one. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, I'm gonna pick some out. These here, we started getting these maybe a couple months ago. They have like a wheel, like barrel shape to them. I think they might be dyed. Every time I get them, they're gorgeous. You don't see the coating on them like you do with these beads. Like you can look at this bead from the end here, and you could tell that it's coated because it looks clear in the middle, or like white. See those there? But these here, they're kind of different. I want to say they're dyed. Yeah, so look at how beautiful they are. They're really pretty. These two are stuck together, and whenever this happens, I get round nose pliers, and I put the round nose pliers in between here and bust those apart. But if you have that going on with lampwork beads, they're not going to come apart. They are going to shatter. Okay? And now here we have this cute little mix of seed beads. There's some other olive shaped beads in here. Yeah, I think it's mostly seed beads. It's a pretty mix. Okay, did I get it all? I think so. After that, approximate 1 ounce black silver designer bead mix. Now, black and silver, maybe that's this, because all the other ones are just black. This is beautiful. These are really pretty. Oh my gosh. So these are large hole Chinese crystal. The holes are huge. Like 3mm. Really big holes. So like half of the bag has these crystals in it. Yeah. So then the other bead here, this is an 8mm bead. It's really nice quality. It is not actually center hole. It is a drop bead. Do you see the hole there is on the side? So it's a drop. There's actually check glass round drop beads like this. I don't see them very often, but the hole is on the side of the bead, and I've actually used them to weave with. They're pretty cool. But those are nice coating. This is like a plating that's on that bead. Those are nice. Okay, these might be my favorite so far. There's still more for me to go through. Okay, after that, right here. Approximate 1 ounce, 12 by 8mm crystal peanut bead. That's this guy. Oh, I love this one too, though. It's kind of a hard decision. I love both of these. They're so cool, especially these. I've seen these in the really small size. There's this one that's like a seed bead. I forgot what it's called. It's like Feral something. I don't know. It starts with an F. They have large holes. These would be fun to use in macrame because of their shape. Put them onto a cord and do square knots around them. I think that would be interesting. They gave us a lot too. They are really cute. Okay. And then after that, 20mm length black tube glass bead, 10 beads. Tube, this one. Yeah, 10 beads. I bet you these would work for my sea star, my starfish pendant that I did years ago, I would probably have to get a screenshot for that. That was a very old tutorial. I also made that star, I think, into a starfish ring. There was a ring and there was a pendant that I did. And I think these would work for that. But they gave us different sizes, which is problematic. These ones here, the smaller ones, would be perfect. And you do need 10 of them, but they gave us, yeah, 8 of the small, 2 of the bigger. But those would have worked if they were all the same size. You know what? You can also still do that weave, but with 8 beads. So there's 10, right, in the starfish for the legs. But if you did 8, it would be shaped like a cross. Does that make sense? And the way you get that to work is you have to use, I think it's 8 6mm beads. I think that's what I used in the middle. You have to start out with less beads in the middle. Okay. After that, 14 by 10mm black twisted oval glass bead, 8 beads. These are neat. I kind of have stuff like this in my stash. They are glass. They have an unusual look to them. Are they painted? What? They're green. They're green. It says they're black. I'll show you. You think they would be purple. Can't see it. Can you see it now? See that? It's green. There's some coating on it. I think the bead was green and they painted it black. Is it scraped right there on that one side where the light's coming through? See right there on the side of this bead? I lost it. It's on the one side. Right there. The light's coming through. It looks green. Those are kind of wild. Okay. And then I love the next one. I think it's next. 16 by 12mm black oval glass bead. 5 beads. These. I love these. This shape. It's so pretty. It's definitely shaped olive-like. Yeah, like black olives. No, I don't think these are painted. No, these are solid glass. Those are beautiful though. I love stuff like this. They kind of look like gemstone, really. Okay. And then 42 by 38mm Tree of Life silver metal pendant. And then wire. Now I got 2 of these. Was that supposed to happen? I don't think so. I think I was supposed to get 1. It says pendant, not pendants. That's cute. I haven't seen one like this before. I actually have a Tree of Life ring that has spiral branches on it. It's really pretty. Mine is stainless steel, so it's pretty much indestructible, really. But yeah, I think they accidentally gave me 2 of these. Okay, and then the last thing, well actually, there's 2 things here. It's just that one down here. It says 0.8mm silver wire for bead wrapping. 1.2 meter spool. Cool. So, I actually don't know what that means. 1.8mm. I've never called wire like that. I've always called it by its gauge. So it looks like 20 gauge. Is 20 gauge 0.8 millimeter? It looks like 20 gauge. I will have to look that up. I've always, you know, I know cording by its size. I all the time use 0.8 millimeter wax polyester cord, Chinese nylon, knotting cord. Those are my favorite sizes of 0.8. But I think that's probably going to be 20 gauge. Alright, and then this here, well, on the list also has the miniature beaded wire tree instructions. So that's included there. That's the very last thing. But we always get this kit here. It comes with every box in case you are new to this. This is a findings kit. There is memory wire, bead stringing wire, head pins, crimp beads, ear wires, lobster claw clasp, elastic cord, and jump rings. Alright, so that is everything we are getting in this month's box. It is very different this month, I have to say. They've given us a lot of new shapes that we've never got before. Alright, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening here. Again, I will link the Curated Bead box down there below in the description bar along with the coupon code so you can get 75% off your first box. And this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.